So let's get on to Halloween. There's some jewelry there. I did not get these sets, and I didn't get the nightgown. That's coming. But that spooky night shirt, oh my gosh, I think it's so cute. If my girls would wear it, my daughter, my daughter-in-law would wear it, I would so get it for them, but they're so hard to buy for, I don't know. Socks and a scrunchie, but I did get the bracelets. I like bracelets for myself, but I also have some grandkids. So thinking that these are going to be great, because not only are they cool looking bracelets, here is the witch set, because it's got the little witch hat. Not only are they great stretch bracelets to put on, but they are glow in the dark. So yeah, oh my gosh, you would think I would be able to put a stretch bracelet on without too much of a hassle, but apparently I can't. So I'm thinking the grandkids are going to have a blast with these, especially with them being glow in the dark. Let me get them on. Sometimes I have problems with my hands just because of my MS, y'all. Sorry about that. So, okay, so I have a medium-sized wrist, and they're fitting. I mean, there's some stretch there, but definitely. So I'm thinking with the grandkids, it's either going to fit them well, or if they're just really tiny, maybe if they double it up, I don't know. On the just colored ones that do not have the charm, they will have these little accent pieces on there. So yeah, let me see if I can show you that up close. But the accent piece is on there, and then there's the charm hanging. So this is the witch's hat set, and then this is the ghost set. How awesome are these? And if you want, absolutely put them together. I'm going to put them together. Got some arm candy going on for Halloween. I think the sets really will go well together. If I can get them on, right? Boy, I'm not having there we go. Sorry, that MS gets me every time, guys. But here we go. So here we have, so let me turn it around so you can see, you're not seeing the inside with the charms. So here's both sets together. So if we wanted to put, the charms just a little bit opposite, here is, having two sets on, some nice coverage there. Definitely, a nice set to have on. So super excited about that. And like I said, it is going to glow in the dark. I'm going to do my best to see if I can't get you guys some pictures of them glowing in the dark, but I think they are fantastic. The other thing I got is, so the two more things that I got. We got the spider web necklace and earrings. Hope you guys like. I'm normally not a spider person, because I'm definitely not a spider person, but I thought this was going to look like an awesome set. And when I got it here, I'm like, oh yeah, this is cool. I have a niece and some friends that love Halloween, and I think these are going to be, this is the earring. So absolutely, see, I hope you're getting the sparkle on that. My feed is just a little bit behind, so I can't tell if you're getting it. But like I said, it's a dangle. So yeah, oh yeah, you're getting the sparkle. And then, so here, this is how, see how long. So there, they've got a little bit of a dangle there. So yeah, awesome. Absolutely think these are going to be great. And then you've got, so you got a pair of those, and then you've got the necklace, which I think is so awesome too. So I am super excited that I got this set. Hi Mary, glad you could come on. The book doesn't show up good. Yeah, the book sometimes is hard to show. I'm always pleasantly surprised when I get the jewelry, and then it's always so much better than what I thought it was going to be. Hold on a second, I got this tangled up. Of course I got it tangled up. Let's see. See if we can get our spider undone here. So our spider is awesome. We just have to get it untangled because I had put it in the box and just, there we go. All right. So it is going to be, like you saw in the picture, it's going to be a drop necklace. Oh, shoot. Oh, goodness. I hope I didn't lose y'all. Okay, there we go. It's going to be a drop necklace. It's going to drop down into a spider web, which is got the, in the middle, it's got the clear stone. And then when you get down to the spider itself, I'm going to make sure that we're getting the sparkle side to you. No, we're not. Because this spider is fantastic. If I can get it to turn around so you can see it. So here's the spider. There we go. The spider has the little drop on it right here, but then the legs are sparkly. So I just think it's a fantastic piece all together. And it's going to land, you know, it's not going to be a super long one, but it's going to land, you know, right about there. So yeah, hope that you guys are going to like this. I absolutely love it. It's daintier than what I thought it was going to be, which is awesome because that's what I wanted. I wanted it to be daintier because, you know, spider webs are dainty. So we got that. They have a glow in the dark watch, but I didn't get that, but I did get, and I should have put this on first, I did get the fun headband. So let's see about that. So I'm thinking between my arm candy, my necklace and earrings, and my witch's hat. Oh, look, they even made sure that it came through and didn't get all bent up. Thank you, Avon. So let me see if I can, here, I need a pair of scissors real quick to get this apart. They taped it so that it would not bend or get messed up in delivery. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so taking this apart, apparently it was on the other side too. And then, wonder how I get it off of there. I guess I cut it off the bottom. Hold on a second. We're getting it out of the package. Didn't realize the package was quite this much, but you're going to appreciate it because your product is not going to be bent up or messed up when you get it, because you're going to want, when you see the detail on this, you're going to want it to be as nice as it came. I can't wait to wear this when I'm doing my videos for you guys in October. but it also will be great for a Halloween party. So, the top is very shiny. I love the detail on it. It has really nice detail here with the ribbon. And then you've got, of course, like I said, the veil. You can wear the veil. It shows it in the front but I would say you could wear it in the front or the back. So love, love, love the detail on this. So when I put it on, see, and it's not bad. It's not bad looking out through that at all. So if you have this going on, you have got a veil and your hat. And then, like I said, you've got your arm candy, you've got spider necklace, you've got it all going on, and yeah, it's all going to be fantastic for Halloween. So let me know if you guys want to, if you guys are interested in any of it, got any questions, I will, other than that, I will talk to you all soon because that's what I have new for tonight.